Hi, in this video we're going to look at sine rule. There are a few things to take note for sine rule. Number one, it can be used on any triangle. Okay, it not necessarily have to be a right angle triangle. It can be used on any triangle. Okay, whereas your trigo ratio is only restricted to right angle triangles. So very important, you can use on any triangle. Okay, the formula is sine A over A equals to sine B over B. Okay, the ratio in this form is the same as the ratio in this form. Doesn't matter. Okay, as long as you follow the order of writing the ratios. Okay, let's start solving. Okay, first thing we need to do is we need to label what is A. Okay, what is our A, as well as what is our small a. Usually small letters will denote the length. Okay, so in this question, very nicely they label the A for us. So if this is the length side A, sine A, which is the angle, will be the angle opposite of the length. So here will be our capital A. Here's our small a. This angle B, opposite of this angle will be the side B. Okay, so by applying either one of the ratios, it will work. So right now we are trying to find the length. This is the unknown. Preferably, if we are finding the length unknown, we will use the second one. Okay, later on you will notice that when you want to find A, making A the subject is easier using this formula because we just multiply sine A on both sides and you can find the unknown straight away. So let's do that. A over sine 44, B is 9 over sine 60. Okay, now to find this unknown A, I multiply sine 44 on both sides. Sorry, this is A. Okay, putting the degree sign. Okay, I'm showing you this long way to illustrate how I get A as the subject. Okay, sometimes we just tell you to cross multiply, but the actual way is actually to balance the equation. On the left hand side must equal to whatever is on the right hand side. So this is actually what is happening. So sine A divided by sine 44 divided by sine 44 will give you A, because anything divided by itself is 1. So over here, 9 sine 44 over sine 60. Okay, you can see that this is very fast. Using this form is very fast compared to this. Here you need to do more manipulation. Okay. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. If it's in radian mode, all your calculations will mess up and you'll lose a lot of marks on this. Okay, round off to 3SF. We're dealing with length, so we always round off to 3SF for length. If it's angle, then it's 1 decimal place. We'll take a look at that in the next video. Okay, let's try the next one, part B. Again, this length is the unknown that we need to find. So it's okay if you name it A or B, doesn't matter. So follow the naming in the question. So this angle, opposite of it, this angle will be our A. And then here you notice that we have a angle, but we are missing one side, the value of the length. So don't choose this pair. We'll choose this pair instead. So make this B, small b. For sine rule, we always try to have a complete pair and a broken pair. Broken pair is what we need to solve. The complete pair is what will help us solve it. Okay, so that is why just now I chose this complete pair instead. Now you must be wondering how to find this angle. Very simple. 180 minus these two, angle sum of triangle. So please write the step down. Okay, angle, so as BAC is 180. I know this may seem obvious, but this will earn you your method mark. Okay, remember to put down the reasons. Here I work out the answer first. 101. Okay, this is angle sum of triangle. So the reason for this working is angle sum of triangle. So once you have determined this, we can start using sine rule. Okay, unknown A over sine 101 is equals to 18 over sine 30 degrees. Okay, so you see, actually sine rule is extremely easy to use. Sine rule is actually based on trigo ratio. So if you have a right angle triangle and you use sine rule, why it will work is because it is built up based on trigo ratio. So if you have a right angle triangle and you forgot the ratios, the Picasso, you can use sine rule, but it's preferred to use Picasso because it's easier, faster. So this side is 35.3 cm. Round off to 3SF because this is length. Okay, and you're done. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video to find angle using sine rule.